Public speaking is a valuable skill that can help you in many areas of your life, such as career advancement, leadership, and personal development. It allows you to express your ideas and thoughts in a clear and concise manner and to persuade and inspire others. However, despite its many benefits, many people struggle with public speaking due to a fear of being judged or perceived negatively by their audience, known as glossophobia. This fear can manifest in physical symptoms such as a rapid heartbeat, sweating, and shaking, as well as mental symptoms such as anxiety and negative self-talk. It can be debilitating and hold people back from reaching their full potential. But the good news is, public speaking is a skill that can be learned and improved upon with practice, patience, and perseverance. To become a more effective public speaker and overcome this fear, there are several things that you can do. Practice. The more you practice public speaking, the more comfortable you will become. Start small by speaking in front of a mirror or a small group, and gradually increase the size of your audience. Prepare. Take the time to research and organize your thoughts before giving a speech. Use visual aids and storytelling to help convey your message. Be yourself. Speak in your own style, using your own words and personality. Being authentic and genuine will help you connect with your audience and build trust. Use positive self-talk. Reframe negative thoughts into positive ones. Remind yourself that you are well prepared and that your audience is on your side. Focus on your audience. Remember that your audience is there to listen and learn. Focus on connecting with them and delivering your message in a way that is relevant and engaging. Use body language. Use gestures, facial expressions, and eye contact to emphasize your message and connect with your audience. Breath. Take deep breaths and pause between sentences to gather your thoughts and slow your heart rate. Be adaptable. Be prepared to adjust your speech based on the audience's reactions. Be flexible and be willing to make changes on the fly. By addressing and overcoming the fears and challenges associated with public speaking, you can become a more effective and confident public speaker. Public speaking not only allows you to express your ideas and thoughts, but it also helps you to inspire, persuade, and lead others. It is a skill that can open many doors in your life and help you to reach your full potential. Remember that public speaking is a skill that can be learned and improved upon, and with practice, patience, and perseverance, you can master it.